great day. Great faces talking shit on TV. What is this? How can I believe in it? Nobody there in who we can trust. Tell me please, who made this choice for us? Silence outside the stars boxed in cage. It's like our deepest fears are now a blind breaking. Have some weed and absinthe. Leave everything on the outdoors. Stay frustrated, cause to be shown. Stay bored. These are the rules, primitive minds. This chemistry controls the highs. No need to run, no need to crawl.
That's it guys, that's how you do a basic cleaning of your Interceptor. Again, it's not the most perfect way I would say, but it's a weekend lockdown in Kerala and I had a lot of time to kill. So the whole process took me around say 40 to 45 minutes. That's pretty much it. And it does a decent job of cleaning your whole bike. Again, if it's getting more dirty, you can go ahead and give it for a proper wash or use a fiber cloth after you're done with the cleaning and then wax it so it would look more better. I haven't done it because I just got my bike a couple of days back. I mean, hardly I've done 120 kilometers, so it was not that dirty comparatively, but I would do it in the future. So thank you guys for watching. Take care.